Microsoft Visio is a great tool helping people to design business processes. Process mining is different. Process mining tools such as PAFnow automatically learn from data how business processes work. No need to design a process model beforehand. Process mining tools consume operational data to automatically reconstruct and visualize business processes as they are executed. Beyond this, process mining tools are delivering all the important actual process performance indicators, such as volume, time, and cost. Process modeling tools typically can't do this. Sure, PAFnow Premium comes with a conformance check, which includes both process modeling by Visio and process mining by PAFnow. Conformance checking is a process mining technique and used to compare as-is process models with reference models of the same process. Clients can interactively discover the conformance rate of their process model. PAFnow makes the actual processes completely transparent and enables direct process optimization via machine learning, workflow automation, or RPA. Just imagine late-running cases. PAFnow Process Mining can track key process indicators from late-running cases, notify user actively, and action in CRM or ERP applications directly.